Meaning of delve.
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 Delve. Delve means to explore or investigate deeply into something, such as a topic, idea, or problem, in order to understand it more fully. This involves spending time and effort to gather information, analyze data, and draw conclusions. The result of delving into a subject can be a greater understanding of the intricacies and complexities involved, as well as new insights and perspectives. Delving can also lead to the discovery of new information or the uncovering of hidden patterns or connections that were previously unknown.